एसएलबीसी की तरफ से हर त्रैमासिक आयोजन होने वाली बैठक में दलित इंडस्ट्रीज एसोसिएशन भाग ले रही है। इस बैठक में बैंकिंग क्षेत्र से जुड़ी समस्याओं पर विस्तृत चर्चा होगी। इसमें दलित इंडस्ट्रीज एसोसिएशन की तरफ से 10 प्रमुख मांगें रखी गई हैं। एसएलबीसी की मीटिंग में एक एजेंडा रखा गया है। वहीं मौके पर दलित इंडस्ट्रीज एसोसिएशन के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर जितेंद्र पासवान ने मीडिया से बात करते हुए अपने प्रमुख मुद्दों के बारे में मुखरता से बताया। साथ ही उन्होंने बैंकिंग सेक्टर में लोगों को होने वाली समस्याओं के बारे में भी बताया। उन्होंने यह भी कहा कि हम अपनी आवाज मुखर रखेंगे और अनुरोध करेंगे कि इस पर ध्यान दिया जाए।
Today is state level bankers committee meeting which is held in Chanakya Hotel, but Dalit Industries Association is joining with the video conferencing. Some point which is the related of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes entrepreneurs keep in front of 79 SLVC meeting, which is following. Subsidies should be increased up to 90% in CLCSS for SC and ST in Bihar. The number of clusters should be increased in each district of Bihar. It is not just be based focused on geographical identification as well as the specific product only. In addition to the groups of village and cottage industry should be included in CDP to help financially support our community cluster should be developed through Spurti. One point is, and second is 100% subsidy and 22.5% reservation should be provided in all component like CFC, Common Facility Center, infrastructure development, marketing hub, exhibition, thematic intervention, state innovative cluster development program. For cluster formation, there must be an ecosystem built between all stakeholders like MSME, KVIC, DIC, Industries Association and other. In Bihar, 22.5% cluster should be reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe community innovator. From SC/ST community should be provided 100% subsidy for technical and financial support. Give more benefit for ideas, innovation and research. Hackathon Aspire and have provide 100% collateral free loan with subsidy to our community innovator who wants to establish local tech support service system, last mile delivery system, drop shipping and other e-commerce in rural area. The solution of banking and financing related issue of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe community should be accorded due important and district level and block level in addition to the state level. RBI, NABARD, MSME, NSIC, CDB, SLBC, DIC and Industry Association should build as ecosystem, fix equal right and responsibility in champion and India SME digital platform. All scheme of CDB must be implemented with a 22.5% reservation and priority for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. To provide hassle-free loan under Mudra, Stand Up India, CGT MSME, PMEGP scheme on priority basis with a 22.5% reservation for SC and ST. Instructions should be given to bank for providing smoothly collateral free loan to hawker, peddler, cheap jack, pavement trader, weekly market traders, inferior goods shop. Bank should be provided KCC on priority base to farmer from scheduled caste, scheduled tribe community involved in agriculture, agro industry, animal husbandry and fisheries. Bank should accord focus on SC/ST community, labor and people for providing benefit of PM Jan Dhan Yojana, PM Jan Arogya Yojana, PM Sarm Yogi Mandhan Yojana, Public Provident Fund and PM Suraksha Bima Yojana etc. Equal participation should be fixed, and SC and ST sections should be benefited through measures such as MSME subordinate debt, MSME fund of fund, partial guarantee scheme of NBFC, NABARD, NHB, SIDBI, NBFC, HFC, MFI, and Exim Bank to fixed and provide benefit to in special loan designed for women such as Bank of Baroda, Vaibhav Lakshmi Yojana, State Bank of India, Stri Shakti Yojana, Bank of India, Priyadarshi Yojana, Womania, etc. Equal participation for women from SC and ST community should be fixed. Cash credit enhancement guarantee scheme for scheduled caste, a scheme for social justice and empowerment, Government of India. Up to area of society of Government of India should be included in RBI and SLBC agenda and subsequently be implemented by all bank in the state of Bihar. There should be compulsion to give short-term loan to people belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe on the basis of purchase order and work order receiving after tendering and public procurement policy 2012 and government e-marketplace. In last, to instruct to all the high official of all the bank located in Bihar for provided quick loan to the entrepreneur of this deprived community to set up their enterprises in a friendly manner and good behavior. Some this point which is kept in the SLBC meeting.